rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rooster. Rooster. This is a rooster. Goat. Goat. This is a goat. Sheep. Sheep. This is a sheep. Horse. Horse. This is a horse. Cow. Cow. This is a cow. Donkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. Buffalo. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. Dog. Dog. This is a dog. Chick. Chick. This is a chick. This is a mare. Means female horse. Bull. Bull. This is a bull. Today we learned about different farm animals with pictures. Kids, I hope you like the video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.